Hey, hi, it's GHWS Testers channel. It's a Galaxy J5 2016 model. Has been checked out in the speakers test. Yeah, it's no copyright sounds. Let's play him the full sound. I'm able of this own sound. Okay. Background sound is off now. It's no copyright sounds audio back. See the full sound. 60, 66, 70, 80, 86, 93, 100. It's it's a sound. It's a not higher sound. It's a sound quality is the better. I will later check on the Galaxy J5 2015 model with 16 model sound test. What happening the sound quality, which is the better one. Yeah, Jamie guys, thank you for this watching. Subscribe.